You're looking for a reliable way to protect your car, and you've probably stumbled upon the FAIMEE F9. But with so many options out there, the real questions are, is it good? And more importantly, is it worth it? Welcome to Shop Smart. Today we're doing a deep dive review of the FAIMEE F9. Right off the bat, I want you to know I am not sponsored by this brand. They didn't pay me to say anything. This is a 100% honest, straightforward review to help you decide if this camera actually deserves a spot on your windshield. Let's talk about what makes this setup stand out. This is a 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dashcam front and rear. That means you are getting the front of the road, the inside cabin, and your rear view recorded simultaneously. The front camera records in 4K, while the inside and rear capture in 2K. Combined with a 170-degree wide angle on the front, your blind spots are heavily reduced. Now, one of the biggest headaches when buying a dash camera for cars is having to buy the memory card separately. Surprisingly, the FAIMEE F9 comes with a 128GB card included right in the box, which is a huge plus right out of the gate. If you appreciate tech reviews that get straight to the point and actually help you make smart choices, hit that subscribe button. It helps us keep making these nonsense videos for you. Now, what about driving at night? The camera features excellent night vision and WDR, wide dynamic range. This ensures that license plates and street signs remain visible even in low light conditions. It also features built-in GPS to track your speed and exact route history, which is crucial if you ever need to prove your case to an insurance company. Getting those videos to your phone is also seamless. It features 5.8G and 2.4G dual Wi-Fi, so you can easily download and share footage directly through their smartphone app without removing the memory card. When it comes to security, it has a highly responsive G-sensor emergency lock. If someone hits your car or if you have to brake suddenly, the camera automatically locks that specific video file so it won't be overwritten. It also supports a 24H parking monitor to keep an eye on your vehicle while you're away. But just to be completely transparent with you, you will need a separate hardwire kit to use the parking monitor, as it's not included in the standard box. So, FAIMEE F9 review. The best 3-channel dash cam for the money? If you want complete 3-way coverage, solid night vision, and you love the fact that the 128GB card is already included, this is a very strong contender. Is it worth it? For the peace of mind it provides on the road, absolutely.